In episode 1, we talked about Hazet history and the journey from home workshop to today's Hazet we know. In the second episode, I have taken you guys to the Hazet World, an exhibition center, and the marketing studio which you see in the Hazet's official videos. Since all the videos are getting long, so I divided them into episodes. If you haven't watched previous 2 episodes, I highly suggest you to go ahead and get some snacks and watch them first. Hazet was founded by Hermann Zerber, hence the name derived from his name. In German, Ha pronounced as Ha and Z pronounced as Zet, Hazet.
Oh, that is my favorite actually. Sorry, I want that one. Wow, guys, can you imagine? This is heaven, seriously.
In this episode, I will show you rest of the tour of Hazet World and let you meet some of the finest Hazet team members and how they develop the product design. You will meet head of product development department, the marketing head. You will also meet the head of the famous Hazet hybrid series Ratchets. This episode gonna be a blast. Before moving on, guys, if you are enjoying the video, support me by liking and subscribing the channel. Enough talking, let's start from where we left in the previous episode.
Lots of tools. It's like never-ending tools. You're right that how many thousand tools you have here? Like 6,000 or something. Damn, 6,000. What this company is doing? Making us poor by making such a nice tools and we buy all the time. Oh, it's missing. No, it's not 10 number. You know that there is a number 10 is always missing. So it's the most important one, but it's not missing. So I thought that it's number 10 is missing.
12 is missing?
It's 12 is missing. It's not normal.
Normally 10 or 13 is...
Yeah, you're right actually. He knows that one also.
Some stickers.
Okay, there's another one. So all those are different trolleys. How many trolleys, different kind of trolleys you have?
You can... All our trolleys can be customized. This means we have endless possibilities to do this.
Alright. So it's like different, like it's for the showcase that you can customize according to your own feel. Okay. Really nice. But guys, I tell you, these are really heavy duty. I never had any of those, but now I can see that one. It's really high quality. Seriously, I'm really impressed with those. I have other trolleys like from other brands, not from the Hazet, but it's really heavy duty. What is happening here? Got here. No, not working yet. So they are charging with a magnet port here.
Yes.
Those are also quite famous actually.
Yeah.
Wow. Damn. How big is that one? 200 to 1000 meter. Wow. And this is the electrical one.
Yeah, that's 4100 German norm.
Okay.
They are...
Those are digital and then those are non-digital.
Yeah.
It has a lot of options also for different kind of torque wrenches.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? I never seen like that. What? How many thousand meters it has? Is there any number? Oh, dang.
That's a good question. 1600. 1600.
1,600. It seems like it's gonna do like 5,000. It's so big.
It's for
Wow.
anchor.
What do they do for the train, or I guess it look like some heavy truck or.
Heavy trucks.
Heavy
yeah.
trucks.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it's for heavy trucks.
Pretty impressive. Seriously, I've never seen such things, even in the videos. Ah, you have also this
Yeah, there's
bench top or. Hazet should make those kind of things if you guys agree with me. That when you put that one, get some gold, and if you take it out, it's yours.
Yeah.
So I think Hazet should do that one. If you take out something from here, it's yours. I'm gonna break my hand, I will take it out. But I have all those actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, I bought all those. I have all collection, except no, I have all those. I have reviewed also on my channel already.
No problem.
No, those. This is my favorite. This
Yes.
is beast.
Big one.
Amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. This one recently I bought it, but those I bought it a long time ago, and these are my favorite actually. Even my subscribers, they know that one. These are my favorite. I have used them a lot. I abused them. I hammered them. No problem. Seriously, I'm really impressed with those. Those Hazet ratchets are my favorite.
Yeah.
But I wish they make it in a flex head,
Mhm.
and that you can flex it. So you don't have that one. So
Yeah.
wish to have that one.
if you want to see, they are over there. They are our specialty tools.
Oh yeah, that would be nice. Just quick. Wow. Look at that Hazet. Can I touch it or
Yeah, of course.
can I sit it?
Maybe, why not?
Oh, it goes. But it's so high. I'm short. All right. Wow. Oh, this is like heaven, man's cave. Wow. Look at that. Wow, this is a ratchet series. I like ratchets. I have a lot of addiction for ratchets. I have all those ratchets.
Really?
Yes, all. I have this one also. I have this also. I have this one even.
Mhm.
I don't have this one. I don't have this one, but all those I have. Not this one.
Need to change it.
Because I'm this kind of person that I start collecting and then I want to complete the collection.
Yeah, I know it.
But then I have to look at my pocket and my ex already broke up with me just because of that. Guys,
Lots of tools.
learn from me.
Oh.
She said tools or me. So I said, okay, bye. Oh, look at those pliers, different kind of. Yeah, look. Damn, I didn't notice that one. Look at that. Fabian, can you
Yeah,
tell me?
of course.
I can.
That's amazing.
Number 80. Guys, you guys tell me that from my viewers that where they use this number 80. What the hell? Which truck? That was a huge one.
Jemand von der Wechselkarte. vernünftiges Meeting.
Ja, das wäre nicht schlecht.
Look at this.
Da kommt gleich jemand.
3/4. Do you guys get discount or for free if you want?
Yeah, no, we get a discount.
I want a job in Hazet. I have to apply. Those rubber mallets.
Schon mal Stefan. Sehr gut.
Maybe we can do a picture later
Yeah.
for our Instagram channel with this one. This big one again, right?
Yeah, I don't mind. I'll become famous because of that.
Alles okay, ja.
Hm. So begeistert.
Okay.
Tisch ist eigentlich.
Das ist aber das ist auch nicht schwer.
Oh, there's another tool for
Muss ja
that.
erst mal reinkommen.
Das ist eine Welpenschaftsfrage.
Ja.
The part number here.
Oh, noch auf Englisch.
Ich weiß nicht.
Dass du dabei bist.
Ist nicht mehr speziell. Ist nicht mehr speziell.
I reviewed that one in my recent videos.
Ja.
I was thinking that it's very strong on the back side. It's really good, but inside is a bit weaker. But
Some
I
people
can see
use
that
it in the kitchen.
this one.
Yes.
All right.
For eggs or something.
For
right?
eggs or for the dogs, cats,
Really? Do you have that?
birds.
Do you have at your home?
No, but I took a picture with our dog. And,
Aha. So guys, this is not only for those tools. You can use your imagination. Guys, can you imagine how lucky I am? I'm in my dream company and they're offering me food also. Wow. Here we go.
Some minutes, Carsten and Stefan Funk will join us.
All right, look at
Auch
that.
was zu trinken, ne?
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Here comes Stefan, a head of product development department. Let me tell you about Stefan in brief. Before joining Hazet, Stefan used to design interior of famous luxury cars such as BMW, Audi, Porsche, and many other German cars. This guy is a genius. At the same time, he's really down-to-earth person.
He say okay.
Yeah.
I think it's okay. I'm already not even asking.
So, you have seen already a little bit of the
Yeah, I
Hazet
have made
World?
all those videos already, and
Yeah.
I think it's enough for me now.
Yeah, okay.
And I stole some also small things.
Yeah, yeah. We will have a check. We will have a checkout. Yeah, after 2 days. Yeah.
Dang. All right. Has a card fallen and we were talking.
Now Karsten, the marketing head of Hazet, joined the meeting. If you are Hazet fan, you might have seen him also in many exhibitions. He's main guy behind all the marketing of Hazet all over the world. He's another genius. Again, super awesome personality.
And I think Hazet has a cult following, and we were talking, Serafina, also about that. It has a cult following. People who are Hazet fan, they are die-hard fan. Like me, you know, it's like. And that's what they,
Hazet tattoos. I told you.
yeah, that one. I'm not that big fan. I have a tattoo, but you never know in the future.
Not yet. Hazet tattoo.
Wednesday you have Hazet tattoo.
I have a tattoo like that. My most of the videos also about Hazet. It's not just you know, these guys know that I'm first time coming here, so I have no connection with Hazet. I'm not sponsored at all. So guys, taking out that one. So you guys have amazing tools. I'm using most of my Hazet tools, but the falling is not justify. You should be bigger than it is. You are bigger, but in a marketing level, it should be bigger. People should know more.
So, Germany, hello, Mahlzeit. Germany, it's okay, but this is what you said before. Our brand is not so known in foreign countries.
I think in German language countries we are very famous.
Yeah, of course.
In Germany and all, everybody who has made an apprenticeship in a garage as a mechanic knows Hazet. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And
that's
sometimes
right.
people are just asking, how did you make your apprenticeship on Hazet or on another brand?
Yeah.
So it's really something that is known. It's known in Switzerland. It's like in Austria.
It's known in.
The biggest market is still Germany. That's the point.
As I mentioned, that most of my tools are tools review are mostly. If we take total, it's Hazet I have more review. I talked more about Hazet, and when I see my staff, you will be surprised. America is number one who is watching that.
Okay.
Yeah, USA. I will show you. So the number second is UK. Number third is people are from Germany also watching my channel.
And in both markets, in the UK and American markets, we're known, but not so well known as maybe the market leader Snap-on.
Yeah, they are like so much. It comes to nationality then.
Yeah.
They are more into Snap-on and they.
And Great Britain is, from historically, they always had their own tools and their own brands.
Yeah, but
If you talk about wood, if you talk about mechanical tools,
Yeah, they have a lot of
always have their own brands regarding
You like some espresso coffee or cappuccino?
yes, normal coffee.
Normal coffee.
Yeah.
Ja, ich will auch einfach einen Kaffee.
Normal.
Normal, very good. And the point, I think one very important point for the garages is that we are creating tools that will save time.
Yeah, that's true.
And because tools, we have not the most cheapest tools. That is very
Yeah,
clear.
very
We have
expensive
not.
tool.
We have expensive tools, but the point is that with our tools you save a lot of time. The Caron is more. The value of time is more than the value or the money of the tools. And that's the point where we are, I think, very strong.
Yeah, I can understand. Nico, can you please bring me faster? Guys, I cannot imagine that I'm having a best time of my life here. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. There's milk already. Oh yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Thank you. And no need.
So, what more questions came from your community?
Yes, here you can see that United States.
A statistic about your.
It's like for last 28, but it's like 16%, then 11% from UK, and 5.6% Germany. Finland, people are watching from Finland and Poland.
I think in Germany you have. I think the point in Germany you have a few YouTube channels that are in German. And I've seen you have increased your community from 500 to 700 something.
Yeah, it's getting faster now. It's because now we're focusing more and more.
I also want to.
Volkswagen, they specially asked Hazet to make this tool specially for them.
We start with, we also have a 3D drucker, plotter.
Okay.
There you can.
That's a question actually.
That is
Why is-
polished.
Okay, that is Polish.
Yeah.
And why is it also part of branding? Because so another thing. Oh, it's gold. Can I touch it?
No.
Oh.
For sure.
Oh, what is that?